Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video how to change the paper size A4 in a Google Doc. So let's started. At first open a docs file. Firstly, paper size is going to the file menu option and click for the page setup option and click for the page option. Then click for the paper size. Now click for the A4 size option. It's okay and click for the OK option. It's okay. Then we can see, then we show the how to change in the paper size A4 in a Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.